GP.
Malo, mag-anak ko.
Tumba na. Ito mo na. Video. Hindi ka makita, oy.
Hello.
GP ka, nag-video-video.
You can be seen go. Kita na ka.
Play na na ni mo ba?
Play na.
Go na, okay na na. Ikaw si mama. You talk to your video. Say hi, guys. Say. Say hi, guys. Ay, ato ba ang mami to? Si Mogad. You want to be a vlogger?
Ha?
You want to be a vlogger?
Paano lahat na?
Gawin mo, take videos. Bakit ito lansun dira? Uy! Nangata kami kung ano pa nakakuntang ba?
Nano?
Nang mo, tag-isa mo asli.
Saan ba?
Lansun. Nagawala ko eh. Sige, video ni mo ako. Who's in the video? Ikaw or ako? Ikaw. Ato ba sa mo ha?
What the heck, man? Are you out of your mind? Why in the world would you think breaking the glass is a good idea? That's it. I wonder if I'm saying the perfect thing. You are getting the first try. Which means
Ang video
you
ba?
are grounded for the
I'm gonna live.
and when you get back from Australia,
Living.
Ga-live ka? Pag-sure diha, oy. Wow, giris niya yung Facebook. Messenger ay pabilin. Bataan na. Giris niya. Ambot niya mo. Giris niya yung Facebook. Why did you erase your Facebook?
I don't know because because it's for adults.
For adults ako ng Facebook. Ang Messenger for these kids. Who told you that Facebook is for adults only?
Mommy.
Yeah? Mommy. Very good app. Dapat mo chat ka nila nanay.
Daddy?
What?
Daddy? You just take me into the tapo because I'm just gonna chat with you.
What? What did you say?
Daddy just chat to me because
Ano? Alam yun, di ba?